Folks, today we're looking at the Canon EOS M50 and Rode video mic, which is available for checkout from the MacDoc to use in any of the projects that you have for your other classes. First thing you gotta do in order to use this is to remove the lens cap by pinching in these two tabs. Then you need to check and make sure that your microphone is properly plugged in using this audio cable in the mic jack, and then also make sure it's plugged into the back of the microphone as well. Don't ever lift up the camera by the microphone, as you can break the shock mount and it could create other issues with sound quality. Always carry by the body or with the strap. You should use the strap every time that you're walking around with the camera in order to carry it without hurting it. Another feature on this camera is the screen, which you open here. Gently open, and you have multiple ways of viewing the screen. One, you can do it like this. You can also twist the screen, minding that you don't hit the audio jack, and you can close it here for a more compact recording session. You may also want to record individually to where you can use this camera in a vlogging style, and you can see your image right here. Down here on the bottom, you have your tripod mount that screws in right here. And then right here, you have a little door that you can slide to the right, open up, and this is where your battery and SD card are going to be housed. Battery will be taken care of by MacDoc folks. Right here is your SD card. It's a push button release. So you press in and it'll drop out, and you pull your SD card out. Make sure that the teeth are facing the back of the camera. To put it back in, you simply slide it in, push in, and it catches in the same push button fashion. Close your door, slide it to the left, and the door is closed. Here on top is your on switch. So we're going to flip this up, have it on, and then we're also going to make sure it's in the automatic shooting mode, which allows for automatic exposure of your video and photographs. Here is the lens activation. When you turn it on, it's going to tell you to do this. All you do is simply push this forward towards that arrow, rotate this white dot to the big white dot, and you'll be in your first focal length or zoom setting, 15, which also ranges all the way to 45. This is how you zoom in and zoom out. On the back, you'll see the camera is on, and you'll see this little box pop up, which is the autofocus. Basically, it locks on and it will focus on anything inside of that box. You can also tap the screen to take a picture, which you can turn off right here, or use the trigger button right here, and this will also take your image. Gotta make sure, let's take it off. In order to do a video recording, you simply press this red button in right here. Notice that red dot turn on, that means you're recording. This is the time of your recording and your battery life right here. To stop it, you press the red button again, it'll stop your recording, and you've taken a picture and a video at this point. In order to view these, all you do is simply press this little play button, and you can see your video. You can watch it here, and you can swipe between. It looks like we have some pictures from previous use, and you can see the photos and video that we've taken so far. In order to go back, all you simply do is press this play button again, and it'll go back to shooting mode, and you can see your features there. Make sure that you turn it off when you're done. Close your lens by pressing this in, turning, and then putting your lens cap back on. In the next video, we'll talk about how to get your footage, but remember that you take your SD card, pull it out, and you'll transfer this footage to your actual computer. So stay tuned for that. Thanks. Y'all have a great day. Change the world, make good decisions.